this my WhatsApp account was suspended and I appealed and got it reinstated. I'm now going to show you how I was able to appeal and got it reinstated. Before I do that, I want to let you know that these are the 6 major reasons why they may suspend your WhatsApp account, especially mass messaging or spamming other people's account, creating multiple groups with unknown contacts, receiving many block reports and all that. So take time and go through all of them and make sure that if you are appealing, you have not violated any of these, and even if you have violated them, and later on make sure you avoid any of these. So these are the steps. First of all, you click on request review, then it brings you here. Then you have to write that something like my business account was banned or my WhatsApp account was banned unfairly. I have carefully reviewed your policies and I strongly believe that my account has been mistakenly flagged. I need your urgent assistance. My business depends on WhatsApp. Please review my case manually. Then you put your name and then your phone number that has been banned. Then you click on submit. Then it brings you here where it says your request has been submitted and you should wait for 24 hours. Sometimes it may not get to the 24 hours, like 12 hours or 15 hours. Within 15 hours, I got a feedback and it says that my account was restored. It asked me to verify the account. So you click verify, you put your phone number, and then it will connect. They will send you a code, you put it there, and then it will open for you to put your name, and then you can initialize and then get back to your WhatsApp. This is exactly what you need to do in order to be able to reinstate your WhatsApp account if it was banned. Now, after you've gone through this, if your account is still not reinstated, okay, I have done another video for those who they will say we have reviewed your account and still found that you are not following our policies. Check in the description, you will see that video and follow it to watch it, and then it will help you to be able to appeal and get that account still reinstated. Okay, you can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact us for assistance. Leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.